Hello, students. This presentation is about decimals. We are now in a part of the year that we should learn about how to express less than one whole. So if I have one whole, which is, for example, a telephone, one half is going to be a part. And how can we write one half in decimals? 0.5, 5/10. So this is what we are going to review today in this presentation. So I'm going to share my PowerPoint, which is this one. The decimal concept. Why do we use decimals on money? Why? This is a whole. This is $1 bill. So what we do with the whole is to cut in parts, in small parts. And this is to express parts of this whole, which is the dollar. Now, what we have is coins, which represent the parts of the dollar. And this is a half a dollar, 50 cents. This is a quarter dollar, which is 25 cents. This is the dime, 10 cents. We have also a nickel, which is 5 cents. And we have the smallest one, which is 1 cent, or we call it a penny. So let's see the half a dollar. We write the half as 1 fraction bar 2. The equivalence is 50 cents. So the half of a dollar is 50 cents. We cut a dollar into equal parts, 2 coins, and each part is 50 cents. So this is half a dollar. You should recognize this half or this coin in many ways, like 50 cents or 50 cents. Well, 50 cents is the word form. Now here is the form when we write using the cents sign. This is the cent sign. Now we should be aware that this 0 here is not necessary. So we can write 0.50 or 0.5. This is the same. This 0 in this position has no value. That's another way to do it. 1 fraction 2, a dollar, or using the sign, the dollar sign, we write 0 because there is no holes. It's 0 holes, $0, but 50 cents. And we read this 50 cents. Okay, challenge. Yay. Some got 5 coins of half a dollar. How much money does some have? You have 20 seconds to respond. Pause the video. We are back. So 5 coins of half a dollar. Okay, 5 coins. And with 2 coins, we make $1, the next dollar. So we have $2.50. Answer, $2.50. Final answer. Next coin is 1 quarter. So this is the quarter. And how many quarters in $1? 4 quarters in $1. 1/4, 1/4, 1/4, 1/4. Meaning that we cut the dollar in 4 equal parts. And each part is 25 cents. So when you add 25 plus 25 plus 25 plus 25, you got 100, which is 100 cents, which is $1. So we recognize with the 1/4 in many ways, like 25 cents, word form, using the dollar sign, 0.25, using the cents sign, 25 cents. We also call it quarter dollar. And that's the other side of the $1/4. In one side is George Washington, and here you can see the eagle. Now, challenge for this. Ready? There are $5. How many dollar coins are in total? One more time. There are $5. How many $quarter dollar coins are in total? Pause the video and solve it. You have 20 seconds. Or you can take a little bit more if you need it. It's good if you do some strategy, like use your journal on your pencil. We're back. Choose your answer. Okay, let's solve it. There are $5. Each dollar have 4 quarters. So how many quarters do we have here? So we count by 4. 4, 8, 12, 16, and 20. Answer is we have in $5, we have 20 quarter coins. And that's it. Next coin, the dime, 10 cents. 1 dime is 10 cents. So 1 dime is 1/10 of a dollar. Look at the TH here. TH meaning that the dollar is a whole, and tenth means part of this dollar. So we have here $1 and 10 cents. 10 coins, which is 10 dimes. We represent this like 1 out of 10 or 1 fraction bar 10, which is equal to 0.10 or 1/10 or 0.1, which is 1/10. And notice that the number 1 is in this position near to the decimal point. So next to the decimal point, you have the number 1. That means 1/10. Because later we are going to see that if the 1 is here in the next position, there is 1 cent. It's not 1 dime. So how do we write 1 dime, 0.1 or 0.10? Don't get confused with 1 cent, which you should write it 0.01. Are you ready? Which option is not correct for 7 dimes? Which option is not correct for 7 dimes? Choose one, A, B, C, or D. Pause the video. We return. This one is 7 cents, not 7 dimes. So letter B is the final answer, because we don't write 7 dimes like 0.07. This is 7 cents. 0.07 is 7 cents. Nickel, 5 cents. This is the nickel. There are 20 nickels in $1. So the fraction is 1 out of 20 and is 0.05. If you take your calculator and you divide by 20, you are going to have 0.05 or 5 hundredths. We also say that 1 nickel is 5 cents. Okay, as a summary, we have the nickel, the dime, and the quarter. We're going to see now the cent, 1 cent, the penny. And always remember, the quarter here is 0.25, and this number 2 is the position of the dimes. And this number 5 is the position of the cents. So if we have 1 nickel, we have 5 cents, and 2 dimes, we have 20 cents. Use your knowledge of decimals. Write the addition of 2 dimes plus 1 nickel using decimals. Pause the video. Write the addition of 2 dimes plus 1 nickel using decimals. Answer is 2 dimes is 0.20 or 20 cents plus 0.05, which is 0.25. Another way to write this is 0.10 plus 0.10, or 1/10 plus 1/10 plus 5 cents, or 5 hundredths, equals 0.25. Dime plus nickel is 1/4. Is the equivalence. Okay, let's see the penny. That's a penny. How many pennies in $1? 100 pennies in $1. And because the dollar is cut in 100 parts, each little part, each penny is 1 out of 100, or 100th. How do you write in decimals? 100th, 100th, 0.01. Look at the position of the number 1. It's not close to the decimal point, but this is the position of the hundredths. And this is the representation, the model. This is 1 whole divided in 100 parts, and one of this little part is 100th. Okay, so we arrived to the place value chart. This place value chart is different because we have a decimal point here. It's different as the others that we studied previously. Now we have tenths and hundredths. So this is the dimes position. This is 4 tenths. So it's 40 cents. And this is 7 hundredths. This is the position of the pennies, 7 cents. So how do you read this? 326 and 47 hundredths. One more time, 326. And when you see the decimal point, you say the word and. And then you read this together, 47, and you say the last part, which is hundredths. So differentiate with this 100. The number 3 is in the hundredths, and the number 7 is in the hundredths position. The sound of the mouth is TH, hundredths, hundredths position. And that's all for today. We finish the video. Bye.